Hello! Well, today we're going to review something a little bit different on Get Out with the Kids, and that's this Bosch Fontus. So Bosch has loaned us this Fontus device for us to test out. So why would we be testing this out? Well, this is a cordless power washer. And why would it be looking at cordless power washer? Well, if you own a caravan like we do, and you have to store it at a facility like we do, not all facilities have a tap and a hose and power, so you could actually get a decent clean on them. So something like this that is portable, you can charge up at home, you can fill it up with water, and you put it in your car to clean the van out at the storage facility. Sounds like a really good idea. Now they are quite pricey to get all this in one mobile package. I've been impressed with it so far, but I've not yet tried it in anger, so let's turn it on and see just how well it does. Right, first off we got it on low setting. Bit of a trickle coming out at the moment on this, but enough to get the brush wet and start brushing stuff down. Let's see what medium's like. A bit more stuff coming out. Let's put high. And it's getting hard to see because I've got the brush on here, which is a lot better for cleaning. Let me put it on high. Yeah, it's just, so while with the brush on, it's certainly just delivering water to the brush. That's helping get the thing clean already. This caravan was clean, and then we took it out and just got so much muck on it from this time of the year. Okay, so let's pop this brush off and see what it's like. So we've got a nozzle on the end of this with, it looks like 3 different nozzle settings. So let's just try that. Okay. That's obviously that one. Let's try that one. Whoa. That's definitely more of a power washer. Let's try that one. That's good. Isn't it? Cleaning up the van and all quite well. It's very close to trees here, so you get the odd birds contributing to things. So we just have it on that at the moment. See what it's like with the power on and the brush. Oh, okay, that's quite good. So you can adjust the nozzle there to have it spray, and then brush like that. Well, that's a good best of both, I think. Okay, so for initial test, that's fairly good. Let's clean the rest of the van. I've been in your waters. So that's about half the caravan done. I've been really impressed with it actually. It's been quite useful actually, just being able to drag this out here and just give the caravan a bit of a clean up. Although I'm out here using a caravan, I think it'd be really useful at home. One thing that always gets, if you've got one of these things at home, you're dragging around the hose cable, you're dragging around the power cable, you're dragging around the hose. This thing, you just wheel it to where you want to go and start cleaning. So I really like that. It's really convenient. You fill the thing up with water here, so it's got an inlet here, complete with a filter as well to make sure you don't get any gunk in there. I filled this up full of water at home, and there's a little gauge indicator on the side here, and I've used just over half of the water already to clean half the caravan, so I need to be a little bit careful with the water. I think if you are bringing it to somewhere like this and there isn't a tap to refill it, then you might want to bring some extra water with you. I filled it up with water at home, put it in a car full. I've laid this thing flat and it doesn't leak. I actually stood it up in the car, and despite going around many roundabouts and over speed bumps and everything, the thing stayed stable and upright in the car. But I have laid it flat and this thing doesn't leak, so that seems to be fairly good from a transport perspective. Yeah, so very, very impressed. The battery pack that goes in the back, that didn't take very long to charge at all. It comes partly charged anyway, so to get it on a full charge, I think it took about an hour, if that. This is quite a handy little handle, obviously. It goes up and down. It's just got a locking mechanism here, so put that in there. Obviously you wouldn't have a brush sticking in your face normally. But yeah, it's a quite a tidy little bit of kit. It seems fairly good quality, fairly well made. So yeah, I'm certainly giving it the thumbs up. It's cleaning my caravan lovely.